complex number using Maxima software. Suppose we want to enter a given complex number, say 2 plus 3i. We enter this complex number by using the command 2 plus 3 times percent iota. Okay, I. So we get an complex number. We assign this complex number to z. So z is equal to 3i plus 2. Now to find the real part of this complex number, just enter the command a real part of z. Then it is equal to the real part of this complex number is 2. Similarly, to get an imaginary part, just enter this command imag part of z. We get an imaginary part of this complex number is what? 3. Now to find conjugate of this complex number, we can just enter the command conjugate of z is equal to, then we get it is 2 minus 3 times iota. Okay, you can also find the absolute value and argument of the given complex number. Suppose z is equal to 1 plus percent I, we know that this complex lie in first quadrant. Then its absolute value, to find modulus of the given complex number, just enter abs of z. So it is equal to square root 2. That is absolute value of z is equal to square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. And to find an argument, just enter the command carg of z. We know that this complex number lies in first quadrant, so its argument is equal to tan inverse y by x, that is tan inverse 1. It is equal to pi by 4. Suppose we enter a next complex number in second quadrant, so z is equal to minus 1 plus percent I, then the percent I, we get some error, percent I, then we enter one more time, z equal to minus 1 plus percent I. So z is equal to I minus 1. Now this complex number lie in second quadrant, so its argument is equal to c. To find an argument, enter the command carg of z, and its argument is pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus tan inverse y by x, that is tan inverse 1. So it is pi minus pi by 4. It is equal to 3 pi by 4. So we get an answer is what? 3 pi by 4. Suppose we enter a complex number in third quadrant, that is real part is also negative and imaginary part is also negative. Now in that case, the argument of the given complex number is equal to minus pi plus pi by 4. So minus 3 pi by 4. And last, if we enter a complex number in first quadrant, that is fourth quadrant, 1 minus percent I, then its argument is equal to percent I, then its argument is carg of z is equal to minus pi by 4. One more example, suppose z is equal to 2 plus 2 times square root 3 into percent I, then z is equal to 2 square root 3 iota plus 2, and the argument of this complex number carg of z is equal to, now the real part is 2, imaginary part is 2 root by 3, so 2 root 3 by 2, 2 root 3 divided by 2 is square root 3, and it is equal to pi by 3. One more examples. Suppose we enter, you can also find and modulus of this complex number. Just enter the command c absolute value of z. So c abs of z is equal to what? 4. That is real part square plus imaginary part square, and take its square root. Then we get an absolute value of the given, a modulus of the given complex number. Now take one more example. Suppose z is equal to say 5 uh, square root 3 square root 3 plus 5 times iota, and if we enter as CARG of z, we know that if we divide the imaginary part by real part, then it is tan inverse 1 by root 3 and it is equal to pi by 6. So we get an answer is what? Pi by 6. Also you can find an modulus of the given complex number by using the command CABS of z. So it is equal to 5 square is 25 and 5 root 3 square is 75. So 75 plus 25 is 100 and square root of 100 is 10. So modulus of the given complex number is 10. You can also find a real and imaginary part of say complex difficult a complex number. Say z is equal to 2 plus percent 3% I, that is 2 plus 3I divided by 4 plus 6I. So it is what? 3I plus 2 divided by 6I plus 4, and just enter the command say real part of the given complex number, say z. Then we get the real part of this complex number is 1 by 2 and imaginary part of z is equal to 0. Imaginary part is what? 0. Also suppose if you want to expand the complex number, say 1 plus iota raised to 3, then you can just write down here command say expand, and you will get 1 or say expand 1 plus expand, sorry, expand, then we get a complex number that is 2I minus 2. Next, so here in this lecture we obtain the real part. We just enter also, okay, addition. You can find addition, multiplication of division of the given complex number. So z1 is equal to 2 plus 3 times percent I, and z2 is equal to say 5I, 5 plus 7 iota. Then the addition of the given complex number z1 plus z2 is equal to the addition of real part and imaginary part. So this 10I plus 7, and subtraction is z1 minus z2 is equal to minus 4I minus 3. To find multiplication, just enter the command z1 into z2. Then we get multiplication is what? 3I plus 2 into 7I plus 4. Now to get this complex number in standard form, just enter the command ratsimp of z1 into z2, and we get a complex number. Multiplication of the given two complex number is what? 29 times iota minus 11, or minus 11 plus 29 times iota. Okay, so to find again to find real part, just enter the command real part. For imaginary part, just enter the command imag part. Conjugate of the complex number can be obtained by using the command conjugate of z. Absolute modulus of the complex number obtained calculated by using the command cabs. Argument is calculated by using the command carj, and so on. Okay.